Okay, part two, propagation for dummies. We got this nice little ceramic rhino with our little plant in it. I don't see no roots growing out of the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out of there and see if it's got any rootstock. And if it does, then it's gonna go right in this pot and hopefully make some leaves and get all pretty and be wonderful by the time we get here next month in our new garden. Okay, well, I mean, we're going to be in there tomorrow, but this plant's not going to be growing until probably we're not going to see much out of this until about a month from now. So, all right, here's the big reveal. Let's see. Gently pull it out. Maybe dig out some of the around the sides so I don't damage the roots if there is any. And yeah. That's a big fail. That's a big fail. So it looks like maybe I didn't get enough rooting hormone. Maybe the roots died and rotted off because it had too much water, or maybe it got too dry in between waterings. It's been 107 outside, and although it's got a bit of like it's got something in it, maybe like a little bit of moisture, but it's very dry. And the leaves dried, and that's why I cut them off. But yeah, there's no roots on here. So we're going to try this again in the future. All right, let's learn together.